Sup guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to deposit checks in Cash App. First thing you should do is to go and open your Cash application. Now after opening the application, click on your balance on the bottom left corner. Then you will have to choose checks right here. Tap on it, then it will show you deposit your check page. Click on continue. After that, enter your check amount. Then it will show this page, confirm front of check. Check this box down below, then click on confirm front of check. Do the same step for the back, then click on confirm. And after that, they will ask you to take a picture of the front of the check and of the back of the check. Then after taking pictures of both, click on submit check. And if the amount that you have entered matches with the amount of money in the check and all the data are correct, the amount of money will be deposited to your account within 1 to 3 work days. If you do not have the money deposited yet, this means that this feature isn't available yet to you. So this means that you may have to update the application on your phone. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.